In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix setup was unable to create a new partition or locate an existing one. So first you need to go here and type cmd. Then you can run this as administrator. So right here, you're going to write the following command. So first disk part, then press enter. Over here, you're going to wait for a few seconds. So once you see this come up, now you want to type list space disk, press enter. Here you will be able to list all the disks you have, so you can see disk 1, disk 2, and now what you need to do is just select a disk. So let's say I want to select the disk 1, which is I'm having error with. So select disk 1 and then press enter. Now you want to, like, let's say you want to format it, so you would click clean to format, then press enter, and this will basically format the whole disk. And if you want to, let's say, create a partition for it, so you would type create and then space partition primary size equal 31, 2, 3. So if you did like this, this will create the disk partition for it, and it's gonna be the size of 30 gigabytes. If you want it, let's say like 80 gigabytes, you type 80, 1, 2, 3, 80,000. So that's like 80,000 megabytes, and it will be 80 gigabytes. And this will create the partition for you. So let's say write like 40, 1, 2, 3, 40,000, and then press enter. And then you want to write format space fs equals ntfs and then space quick, and then press enter. And once you write this one down, you can just close this down completely, and then just go back to cmd, then run as administrator. Over here, you need to type in sfc space /scan now, and then press enter. So after you do this, this will take a few minutes, and once it's done, it should fix any errors within your system folders, and this should fix your issue.